What is going on YouTube? Hated back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and the S&P 500. And I really do want to focus in on the XRP charts. Yesterday, we left off discussing that XRP had broken out of a major symmetrical triangle that was forming on its daily charts here. And I'm here to tell you that we're going to have to tweak some stuff to kind of make this a little bit more accurate than what we've seen in the past here. Mainly because we confirmed three bottom supports, but we only had two price ceilings here. We had two resistances, and we were looking for that third. We considered that this might be that third one here, but I'm here to say that there's a chance we're going to have to tweak the chart to include what the resistance that we just had a couple of hours ago into yesterday here, and form a third confirmation of resistance on XRP symmetrical triangle. And this should aid in finding when that breakout will actually be within XRP, because I'm ready to buy in, whether that be a short or a long position here. I'm ready to throw some money into XRP and some of these other cryptocurrencies, mainly XRP though, and it's just been quite a while since we've had that chance here. We did score on Ethereum. This is probably one of the easiest textbook trades that we were able to capitalize on. As you guys know, Ethereum had a massive explosion, mega breakout here, or whatever you want to call it. You can see if I take the price range right here from breakout, we shot up 25%, which is absolutely insane. We're currently correcting downwards today, which is why we've already taken profits, and also why I want to touch upon what exactly we could see moving forward. Did you miss out on the run? Are there more opportunities and stuff like that to better help you guys with that? Same thing with Bitcoin here, Solana. A lot of these cryptos are starting to hit major resistance. I even think the S&P is hitting a bit of a resistance, and it's time to start correcting lower here, and we'll see if that's going to affect all the other cryptocurrencies as well. You can see the drop that we had originally April 1st to like the 23rd. If we look at Bitcoin here, April 1st was right around this area, and you can see we did have a bit of correction here, so there might be some correlation. Yet again, April 1st right here, and then till the 28th we also had a bit of correction. So we'll see. Correlation isn't always causation, but it's definitely something to consider and to think about here. I do plan on testing out yet again FAIRDESK for copy trading, which is super cool. I was able to put in a trade a couple of days ago here. I'm waiting on another one to buy in. I haven't seen the perfect one just yet. Ethereum was definitely a good one there, but FAIRDESK here, if you click on copy trade, you can follow my copy trades here. We got 3 people currently following me, which is super cool. 100% win rate. We'll see how long that lasts here, but we were able to make some profit. Make sure to join FAIRDESK with the link down in the description. I believe they're also doing a bonus giveaway of 100, 2,000, 65, and 100 grand if you want to just earn some free cryptocurrency, capitalize off futures bonuses here. Super simple, no KYC, and VPN for all regions, which is also really cool. It's a way to get free crypto, and then you can do what you want with that bonus after, and you can follow my trades as well with that link down below. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's dive into today's episode. So guys, I want to start things off with XRP specifically here. As you guys know, and as I've talked about in the past, you can see within XRP, we are tracking some sort of symmetrical triangle. We fell into it, and typically if we fall into something, we typically fall out of it. I know that's scary, but things are kind of aligning with the possibilities of seeing a downturn on the markets here. I hope I'm wrong. I hope the markets prove me wrong, but it is a huge chance that that is what we could expect to see happen as we move forward here. We usually, excuse me, if we fall into triangles here, we usually fall out of triangles, and vice versa. If we fall into, or if we break into them, we break out of them. And that's typically the pattern that I've noticed here. Now, we've confirmed bottom supports with about 3 confirmations here. However, top resistance, we've only had about 2, and we're looking for that third. And that's why I think it's time we start to tweak things just a little bit here to kind of reassure us with what exactly is happening right now. So as bottom support, this is about accurate here. But with this top resistance, I think we're going to have to do something along the lines of this. And you can see how this kind of makes a little more sense ever so slightly here, just around this level like that. And you can see it does extend the reach quite a bit more, but it does include 3 points of resistance, 1, 2, and 3 now, as we are in this symmetrical triangle in this kind of uptrend pattern here. Higher lows, lower highs, fill in this gap, and now we've extended us all the way out till maybe first week of June here, which is unfortunate. But again, we could break out as early as today. Like I said with Ethereum can break out as early as today, and we did that. The same morning, we exploded to the upside. That same exact thing is possible in XRP, and it's only a matter of time before it does. Typically, these do break out early. We don't fill the gap in that often here. But what we're looking for is confirmation closure. And really, we rejected straight off moving average, which is why I said, maybe we hold off on the buy-in period until we see confirmation above at least the price ceiling right here. We've wicked in the past. And I wouldn't be surprised if we saw that wick again, as these are kind of like bull traps here, and I don't want to fall for that this early. And you can see that is exactly what happened. So now we're waiting out. That's about it, though. I think we're done with the bull traps, and now it's decision time. So again, we'll see. We could buy aggressively if we confirm closure above resistance, or we wait for price ceiling closure above this price ceiling right here, about 54, 55 cents. Then we buy in for that long position, because I do believe we are due for that. Another reason why we're rejecting, as you can see, we're coming into contact with this daily or the weekly moving average here in green, and that's also causing a bit of problems, and we're causing that correction to take place here. So that's what I'm also looking to see happen. I'd like us to to break through it, because then we could see a major rally to the upside here. You can see we have a much bigger symmetrical triangle forming on Ethereum, on XRP. So seeing us move back up to resistance to the top price ceiling is definitely in the works, and I do think it's going to happen at some point, but I'd like to see how this decides to play itself out. And when we get that opportunity, obviously we'll take advantage of it. Now, moving on to things like Ethereum here. Breakout has already happened here. We're in a beautiful bull flag. Here we are with the flagpole up, symmetrical triangle down, or descending fractal down. 5-point Elliott wave here. We had confrontation with the moving average and price ceiling, which is what I'd like to see on XRP right in this. It's really, that's the target. We break through that, it's game on. Ethereum did that, and then we had that massive breakout where we were able to long this and make a ton of profit. Well, now we're at a top. And you can see we're already receding below major resistances. Ethereum is below major resistance yet again here. I do think we're going to go higher. However, we are overbought, which is a problem zone. Not so much for XRP, but Ethereum's definitely overbought. And I think there's a chance we could level out. We could easily fall down to here and then head higher. Huge possibility. But I'm waiting to see how these markets pan out a little bit, because we could also consolidate here and then start to trend like this. And then on the 4-hour, we could even find a new symmetrical triangle. So again, lots of plays after this run, and usually they end in consolidation. And that's what we have to wait for. When this plays out, when it continues, when we start to see new technical indicators, that's when we'll have a new buy-in opportunity. Like, XRP is around the corner, but for the time being, we have to be patient here. Same thing goes with Solana. We already capitalized off the Ethereum pump. We've already capitalized off the Solana pump. What happened on Ethereum here, this major bull flag breakout, just like that, has already happened on Solana. You can see flag pull up, just like what happened to Ethereum. Descending fractal, we broke out right here, and now we had the major rally. And you can see once we confirmed that breakout, we formed a new fractal, and then we broke out yet again. Insane, but also awesome here. So moving forward from that, what we're waiting for patiently is more consolidation. And then eventually we could even head up higher. But again, we hit price ceiling. We hit overbought. So now we're starting to correct downwards here. And a lot of these cryptos are experiencing possible correction. Ethereum looks to consolidate. Solana looks to consolidate. XRP has the skill to consolidate. That's also an opportunity to buy in. Intraday trading, definitely a short opportunity there. I don't know if I want to take advantage of that just yet. But same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin also looks that it could consolidate. So lots of things are up in the air. It's only a matter of time before we wait things out. And then as for the S&P, we're also seeing a bit of consolidation. So we want to see how this pans out, because again, this is also overbought. So things could easily see a healthy reversal, easily a healthy pullback on the S&P. That's what I'm waiting for. We'll see if that affects these other cryptos, but there's a very good chance everything could see a small pullback, because everything is pretty much overbought, and I would not be surprised if we see exactly that, a small correction within everything here, followed by more movements to the upside. But with that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notification, head out and join FAIRDESK here with their copy trades as well as their sign-up bonus here, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.